shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged. And he cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't know to change what you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell. And on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know you sorta deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never cared, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses.
Lifting off, I'm going higher and higher. Calling me on every beat, this shit murder for hire. Saying, Mr. Remember to kill him softly. Climbing up this hill, see demons can't get them off me. Yelling, damn, homie. In high school, you was the man, homie. Coolest nigga in the room, ain't got no fans, homie. But that shit temporary. Yeah, I'm about my cream, just like Ben and Jerry's. If I get a meal, first trip is to the cemetery. Gabe throwing beats next to hustler in the dictionary. Yeah, that's a hood legend. This shit gospel, have your hands in the air like a good question. Yeah, all these hood lessons made a nigga who I am. They turned out to be some good blessings. But yeah, the nigga still stressing. 2020 feeling like '08 when it was recession. Been calling on God mixed with a little text and still protesting the streets over oppression. And we still standing, nigga. Yeah, I'm standing here, yeah, I'm struggles living proof that JT middle son done grown up to be the truth. And life don't give a fuck about what niggas had to do to get to where they at. Chips on my shoulder, I got a few, they tryna knock them off. But relay shit, I had to pop it off. Coming from the land where cold water meeting Saginaw. And niggas quick to judge just like Kavanaugh. They made a savage, huh? They breed savages out there. For the spot I'm in, I'm often congratulated. They saying I'm taking off all cause I graduated and was trying to make the league. I was overly dedicated, and when niggas see me, they still approaching as if I made it in. Path ain't in, it just got complicated. Switching to another lane where niggas are concentrated. But I ain't never worried, y'all flows be confiscated. And half these rappers full of shit, they constipated, yeah. But that's another matter for a different day. If words are like bullets, then fuck it, I had to let it spurt. It helped to ease the pain. I'm just wondering if you feel the same.